Welcome to Blue Star Higher Secondary School. Happy morning, children. Be safe, stay at home. Last sections we have discussed about the clock. I have given three sums assignment. Okay, see these three. Did you finish this? Yes, I hope you all finish it. Okay, see this is 220. You have to write it like this. Okay, now do you like the sky watching? If yes, then one should interest you. At what time does the sun rise at your place? Morning. So morning means you have to mention it am. 6:45 am. So the time is 6:45 am. So the shorthand in between 6 and 7 and the longer hand near straight to 9. Okay. You have to draw like this. You have to draw here. Okay. 5:45. When does the sun set? Sunset 5:45 p.m. evening. Okay. Does the sun rises and set at the same time every day? No, not at all. Because sun rises in the morning, sunset the same day at the evening. Okay, the same does the sun rise and the sun set at the same time? It's not possible at all. So the answer is no. Look at the newspaper, see the times of sunrises and sunset in different months. So now here the picture is given. I think you know this picture. This is nothing but Eiffel Tower. Okay, look at that photo and guess the time at this place. This photo was taken in the Paris, France. In Paris, the sun sets at 9 p.m. So when does the sun set? After 9 p.m. at night during summer. So during summer 9 p.m. sun set. This photo was taken at the night, but in winter it becomes dark here by 4 p.m. in the evening. So in the evening it will become dark by 4 p.m. in evening. Okay. So now next one, find out. This is the exercise. You have to do it. I will do these two problems, A and B. The same model. You have to do these C and D. Okay, first I will let me explain this. Find out how long will it take the minute hand to move from. Now 2 clock is given. Look at this one. 3 shorthand is in between 3 to 4. So the time is 3 and longer hand is 7. So 7 into 5 is 45. So 7 3 3 43 35. Okay, so now this time here is 3:50. So how many minutes when it reach to 4 o'clock? So listen here. This is 5, 10, 15. So how many minutes you have to compare these two timings? See here carefully here. This one is 3:50. This one is timing is 3:50. Now if this longer want to reach this here, how many minutes gap? If it reach this longer hand should reach 10 means how many minutes it will take? So this is 5. See here, 7 to 8. This is 5. 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 5 15. So totally how many minutes if you want to reach this 10? So 15 minutes is the answer. Now look at the second one. See here, this is timing 3, again 3, 3:40. Okay, now see this time is exactly 4 o'clock. So when it 4 o'clock, if you want to reach them, how many minutes it will take? Now from here you have to add. This is 5 minutes, 10, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20. So how many minutes totally? 20 minutes. See here, 5, 10, 15, 20. So when it reach this longer hand should reach 12 o'clock means, sorry, 12. When it reach 12 means how many minutes in between? 20 minutes. Okay, so same this here also you have to do. Here for example, this is 6 5. Here is 6:15. So how many minutes when it want to reach 15 minutes means, see the gap, this is 5 minutes, this is 10 minutes. So here the time is, minute is how much, 10. Okay, you have to do this one. This one is a homework. Same here, this is 7:10. This one is 7:45. So when it want to reach 7:45, how many minutes? 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So totally how many minutes? 35 minutes. Okay, so you have to write it by yourself. Now next one, I have drawn this here. Draw where the hand will be 20 minutes after 6 o'clock. So 20 minutes after 6 o'clock, see here I have drawn the shorter hand in between 7 to 6, and the bigger one is straight to 4. 4 5s are 20. Okay, so like this here also, look at this carefully and do by yourself. Okay, this is also homework. How long does your school assembly take? So usually 20 minutes or 8:30 a.m. Okay, 8:30 a.m. only. You have to write it, the timings. Your school assembly. Okay, how long your lunch break? That is your wish. How many minutes in between? 30 minutes. That is half an hour. How long is your game period? 40 to 45 minutes. Okay, the periods in between. Is it the same of all period? Yes, most probably all the periods will be same only. The games period and the lunch break seems to be very short, or they are writing something. No. Next, how many minutes can these activities make it? The pictures is given here. I think you can see the picture carefully, observe it. I think you are familiar with this at home. Boiling 1 liter milk, you can discuss with your mom how many minutes to take 1 liter of milk. I have written here 10 minutes as your wish. More than 15 or sometimes it will take more than 5 minutes. Or so here I have written 10 minutes. Okay, it's up to you. Filling a bucket of water, that I have written 3 minutes, 3 or maybe 5 minutes. Next one, sweeping your room. So sweeping a room, it will take 15 or 20 minutes as you like. Okay, this is activity, you have to write it by yourself. Snap your finger, just snap your finger, snap your finger, snap your finger. Skip your rope, how many times? 30 times. Just you write by yourself own. Skip your rope, that is skipping. No, jump and down, that is you have to write by yourself own. Okay, how many times you'll be doing, that you have to write. Here is another challenge for you. How can you speak non-stop? So is it possible, that is if you want to speak without breaking now, so more than some will talk 5 minutes, more than 5 minutes, I think it's not possible now. Stand on one leg, that is also 2 minutes, more than 1 or 2 minutes. Singing ha 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 without break, that is also 1 minute. How long you take a run 50 race? 5 minutes only. Collect all the 50 pebbles from the ground, that will take 3 minutes or 5 minutes. Count 1 to 100, how many minutes? More than 3 or more than 5 minutes, that is up to you only. Okay, these are the activities daily basis they have given for you. Next, let's look at the clock again, solve this one. So now again they are see, the clock is given in the side. How many clocks? Different types of clocks, watches is given. That picture, please look at that. The minute hand start from 2. How many minutes will it take come from to the? It will take how many minutes? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So how many minutes it will come? 60 minutes. 1 hour it completed means how many minutes? 60 minutes. What happens to the hour hand? Does all move from how long it will take to move from one to another? Yes, it does move. It takes 1 hour to move from one number to another. Okay, one number to another, it will take 1 hour. Okay, look around the list activities about here. You have to write this activities. Yes, here you are seeing now. Cooking, dusting, painting, washing. These are all the activities I have written. So these are the activities. Activities, yes, you have to write it. Now next one, how long does it take cook for dinner? More than a hour or less than a hour? That you have to ask your mom. If it is more means you have to tick the more. If it is less means just tick less than. Okay, ask your father. You just go and ask your father. He can cook as fast your mother does. If father say yes means you put tick. If it is no means put no. Most probably I think no. Yes. Which game does less than for finishing a game? That you ask you. Which game? What? That is your wish. Which game? That is your wish. How long does the football match take? Football match actually includes 90 minutes, including break. Football. Okay, now see here the based on this next one, Rani's diary. She has written some noted down some important things in her diary, that what she is what all the things she is noting, that we have to we are discussing now. Come, let's go to see the new baby sister. Ma, I have brought sweet too for Munia is that small baby, but she can't eat, ma. She is too small means now only very small, and she does not even talk. She will start doing all slowly grow up only. Mama, her mom is telling that Rani's mom, she is telling Munia is a small girl. She will be starting slowly only grows up. Okay, now in these details and all, Rani is writing in her note diary. Okay, February, all month. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. I will note down in my diary when she first starting. So these activities she has writing in the diary. 5th 2005. Munia is born. So that day only she born. Munia is the small baby. 15 September 2005. Munia got her first tooth pal. In Tamil we'll say. 10 November 2005, Munia sat up. 20th 2005, Munia started crawling. Crawling na tavalarudhu. 5th January 2006, Munia stood up. Ancient nikkirathu. 5th September 2006, Munia ate banana. 2 February 2006, Munia started walking. Okay. நடக்கிறது. Mark these correct order in the Munia's timeline. 5305 was born. So she was born in 5th March 2005, Munia born. Now Munia got, based on this there is the questions, you have to answer it. If you understand this one, you can able to answer this one. So I'll give this one as a homework for you. You do please read this carefully. It's very easy. Answer is here only. Read this one and write the answer. Okay, it's a very easy one. This one you have to do it. Page number 43. Please do it as a homework. Now let's move on to the next one. Same diary only she have written about the puppy. Rani had a pet puppy. After 2 weeks, it opens eyes and she watched it grow like this. After 3 weeks, it got its first teeth and started eating. So these details and all she's just writing in her diary. Rani's diary. Na? After 4 weeks, it started walking around, but was still wombly. It had a full set of teeth by the time it was a 7-month old. So by this time he is a 7-month old. After 1 year, it was grown up dog and got it a own puppies. The same dog having got a own puppy. Now these details she is noting in her diary. Now make a time dog in your same here. Answer is here. Please read this carefully. I have explained this. Answer is here only. Please read this and do it in a homework. Okay, do this one. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Find out. This also please find out. Do all the animals grow at the same speed? No, not at all. Discuss about the growth of the hen. You have to please discuss in hen how much growth will be, how many weeks that you have to discuss. Okay, you discuss and write. Okay, this is do it as a homework and draw a picture of a baby animal and big animal is given. Here the picture of grandfather posing for a photograph who looked the older to you. So here picture is given. Which one is the older one? From the first you can see the detail is given. Elephant Apu's grandfather 94 years older. Choo Choo Rat's grandfather 2 years old. Rani's grandfather 70 years old. So how much is older Apu and Rani grandfather? Apu grandfather is 95 and Rani grandfather is given here. See, Rani grandfather is 70. So what is the difference they are asking? So 95 minus 70, how many years difference between? 25 years. Will Choo Choo grandfather ever grow as old as Apu's grandfather? No, not at all. Yes, because 2 years old now. So not at all. How much younger in Choo Choo Rat's grandfather than Rani's father? So Choo Choo father's Rat's than Rani's father means Choo Choo is smaller one. So which one bigger you have to write it? 70. Rani's grandfather is 70 years and Choo Choo is smaller. So 70 minus 2 you will get 68 years. Yes, have you understand this? Yes, let's move on to the next one. Holidays are fun. So this is the holiday fun. Atif a holiday had begun. He was very excited. He had made some wonderful plans and wanted to tell his cousins Shabana. So he wrote a letter. So Atif a boy, Shabana is a cousin. So he is writing Shabana letter that he is so excited. He having a holidays. He want to enjoy. He's having some plans. So he want to discuss to Shabana. Okay. So the letter is here. Ajmer 1506. Dear Shabana Appa, hello, how are you? I am fine here, Appa. My holidays are started from today. I am going to Nani's place on 5506. I will be back on 25. My school will reopen on 3606. When does your school close? Why don't you come here? We will have a great fun. Bye forever. Atif. So here we have to note down the date, year carefully. Okay. So up to this, I'll wind up my class. We'll see in the next section what Shabana's replying. Okay. Thank you, student.